galvanization of the spirit is crucial for transcending existential ennui. What I want to tell you is that self-motivation and inspiring yourself personally is important. Once you want to overcome life, self-motivation and self-inspiring, you've got to be the first person to motivate yourself. Nobody can do it better than yourself. Nobody can motivate you better than yourself. So galvanization of the spirit is crucial for transcending existential ennui. It is very important, no matter what you're going through, whatever that you are facing, still, you've got to inspire yourself. You've got to motivate yourself. You've got to keep yourself and keep your head straight. No matter whatever weapon that will be shot against you, still, you've got to motivate yourself, because you can do it better and do it better for the betterment of your life and the purpose that God has for you. Keep it strong. Keep it tight. Hold it onto your feet. Never give it up. It is very important. Do away with whatever pains that you're going through. Forget everything at this moment and keep moving. Gradually, you will go there. Gradually, you will get there. Gradually, your legs will carry you to whatever destination that you want to go in life. So keep it in your heart, in your mind, that galvanization of the spirit is crucial for transcending existential ennui. God bless you. Dear person, I catch you on the same. So we show whom crying a wabraboom. Ya me, if we say so, be probation whom crying wabraboom. And Tissa said, ye, where was show whom crying? OPATAFUOR make me a show whom crying. Nanso, so be show whom crying. And I said, wow, show whom crying. Ya nebwa. Ya obi a woman, amani bi a woman. A dear be a who come into ama ebia wabamabu. Amane how tuning in a tubu. The show to mamu den. Namo wani ya den. The phone says you a care who say, O ma wabamu muda. Na said ye tia biano. Obekum aqua could do as with him. And wabamu show holding. The show crying. Ne Kenya ho. Namo wani naho. Ne konko. Na ya dianara. A dear be a you need a show. A dear be a opposite bamu. A denara on Sabaka. Radi nu namo. Na Radi rain fruita. A bracesim. But sorry caniano. Na so sorry caniana. Said your can one as him say. Yen so cania and fan shako wasem. And then you Radi be you appear. Radi be you appear while obey you appear when Munyam, obey you appear a one quatintin. I am some beer who baby and Radi in Sabaka. So Benjamin was made the yard. Obey a tree. Now when you're night. And Radi do bedroom, but went through the pump. Let me shout. We shall be free.